Alright, so last time हमने coordinate method discuss किया था. So we are gonna discuss the collaborate method this time. I'll create the file and do the basic setup. Okay, so just like the last time, we'll have this setup, which is default imports, and we'll be using the grok model as well, and we have agents over here. Similarly, we'll create the agents again as well. So I'll just copy paste not to waste time. And instead of a search agent, we'll do like a Twitter agent or a Reddit agent perhaps. And we'll just pass on some instructions for the topic. And basically, so I'll first tell you what the collaborate method is. So as we remember in the route, it's like, going to the agent, getting the response directly. In the coordinate, it's coordinating the between the agents, and it's editing the final response and giving out the output. Or collaborate में it's gonna ask each and every agent and then format the output. So every agent is gonna be called no matter what. So it's gonna be like a discussion, like a group discussion kind of. So I'll just pass on the instructions which I have over here for the Reddit agent. Yeah, so it will be going quickly after that. Let's do, instead of an array over here, just a normal statement. Yeah, and we'll just do like research agent for Reddit. Yeah, that's about it. This is like a Reddit agent. I'll rename it. So this is basically our first agent done. Similarly, we'll create another agent over here. Let's call it Twitter or X perhaps, and I'll copy the instructions for there as well. Yeah, so these are the two agents which are done right now. Alright, yeah, okay, so good suggestions from the copilot, I guess. And now we're gonna create one more agent. It's gonna be a archive scraping agent and a Google search agent. So I'll just copy and paste it over here, so the prompt will be easier. You can get it basically on the documentation for on Agno. It's the similar agent over there. Yeah, and we'll need to import these tools, so we're gonna do that. That's the Google tool, and for archive, yeah. So once we have these three agents over there, we're gonna just create the team. It's gonna be similar as this one over here. So we'll just copy and paste in the interest of time. Yeah, so instead of the coordinate, we'll use collaborate, and for the team members, we're gonna use these three now. Or yeah. So these three are the agents, and we'll just copy and paste some instructions for them. uh, Instructions are going to be pretty minimal, as I said in the previous video. It depends on the model which you are using. So yeah, also we have one more thing over here which we can pass. It's the success criteria. So success criteria is basically like when the this success is like, this is the final, like it should reach a consensus. So like they should all agree on something, and it's gonna be a success, and then it will stop. So that's the success criteria. So once all these agents respond, it's gonna see which agent responds to like responded with what, and it will determine like if they all reached a conclusion or not, and if not, it's gonna ask them again and again until the success criteria is reached. So that's it. We'll call it something else. Let's do discussion master. Discussion master. Okay, and calling it is pretty straightforward. Print response and discuss on the topic. Are laboratories better than golden retriever? And spelling suggestion. Hopefully that works. Yeah. Alright, so we'll just try to run it now. Okay, so we have not installed, I believe, Google search Python and archive as well. So poetry add. First we'll do this, and I don't remember the name of the library, so let's wait for another error. And finally the archive. Okay, PyPDF as well. Alright, so it's running now. So it's calling multiple tools, and based on each tool it's gonna determine which is the best dog, Labradors or Golden Retriever. Highly discussable and debatable topic, but we'll find out which people are saying is the best over here. So as you can see, like we had only 3 tools, and I think it's going on for quite some time, so maybe it's gonna take a little bit of more time. So we'll just wait for the reply, so for the prompt to run. In the meantime, I'll revise through this. So this is where we covered the teams entirely. So these are the 3 methods: route, coordinate, and collaborate. In the collaborate, you have to go through each agent. This can be done like simultaneously or one after the other. So that's collaborate. Coordinate is it's gonna coordinate between multiple agents and give the answer, and it's gonna format the answer as well, which is returned from the agent. For the route, it's gonna directly just pass it to the agent and give the default response back. It's not gonna format it at the end. So mostly you'll be using coordinate throughout, and sometimes you'll need collaborate as well. Route, I highly doubt is if anybody needs it, because in the end you always need to have a editing of the final LLM to read proof it. So yeah. Also, let's wait for this to finally kick in. It's gonna take some time. I'll pause the recording and I'll be back when it replies. Okay, so yeah, we ran it and it's finally here. So as you can see, it has done multiple tool calls. Reddit agent was called first, and then it got a response. Then it went to the Twitter agent. It did multiple searches with multiple queries, and it got the response over here. Same goes for the archive, and finally it compiled all the responses, and it's saying it's highly depends on the life cycle and such. So that's about it. So it's gonna go through every agent as I said before, and that's about it for the collaborate method. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.